In this video, we're going to show you how to export products from Shopify to a CSV file. Exporting products is an essential feature for store management. It allows you to back up your product data, move it to another platform, edit it in bulk, or share it with suppliers and team members. A CSV export includes important product information such as titles, descriptions, prices, variants, inventory, images, and more. This makes it one of the most powerful tools for managing your Shopify catalog at scale. The good news is that Shopify has a built-in export tool that lets you download your product data in just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll know how to export products from Shopify, understand CSV file options, and use your exported data safely. So, let's get started. The first method is to access the product export tool in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left navigation menu, click Products. At the top of the page, click Export. This will open the Export Options window where you can choose what data you want to export. Next, choose your export scope. You can export all products or only selected products depending on your needs. If you want a full backup, select All Products. If you're only updating specific items, choose Selected Products. Then choose your file format. Select CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet applications. You can also choose to export for Excel or plain CSV depending on your system requirements. After selecting your options, click Export Products. Shopify will generate a CSV file and send it to your email address or download it directly depending on your settings. Once the file is ready, download it and open it in a spreadsheet tool like Google Sheets or Excel. Next, review your exported data. Check that all product fields are included, such as product titles, SKUs, prices, variants, inventory levels, and image URLs. This is especially important if you plan to re-import or migrate your data later. You should also store a backup copy of your CSV file in a secure location. This ensures you always have a recovery option in case of accidental product changes or store issues. If needed, you can also edit your CSV file and re-import it back into Shopify for bulk updates. In most situations, these steps are all you need to successfully export products from Shopify. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, go to the Product section and open the Export tool. Second, choose whether to export all products or selected products. And third, download, review, and safely store your CSV file. Remember that product exports are not just backups, they are also powerful tools for bulk editing and store migration. Keeping regular exports helps you maintain better control over your store data and reduces risk. And that's how to export products from Shopify to a CSV file. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.